Hello, this is welcome to everyone in online learning box, and this is another video tutorial, a sticker drawing or a sticker illustration. So let's start without wasting any time. Okay, so our channel main motto is don't waste time because time is money. Okay, so here I'm changing the color, so all you can see, this is no stroke, only fill. So from here I'm going to make this one, put it like this, and now from this I'm going to make brush F5. Now hit here, art brush, fixed, not fixed, pressure sensitivity, hue and shift. Okay, and now you can see this is and so this is our illustration. Change the some darker one, so like this. Change the color, and this is the portion up here. Okay, and now it should be down like this, and like this. Okay, group everything, and now see, this says transform, reflect, hit OK. Now we have get this thing. Now this is the little boy icon, so here change the design, copy paste it, font, transform, reflect, hit OK. Hit OK. Now see, this is, now see this one, and now I'm going to create a triangle. So this is a triangle. Okay, and now this one, right, like this. Okay, change the color should be this one, and put it like this. Okay, and now here you can see this is the point, delete this point, and now like this. Okay, look at here. we have get this kind of thing. Now for this illustration, I need a black eyes. Okay, put it over here, and now with the help of the tool, increase the size. Size should like this, and this is cap. Okay, not increase the size anymore. This has no effect. Increase this. Okay, now increase this time. 9 should be much. Okay, like this. Okay, now turn it over here. Now sorry, Control Z and lock it here. Okay, so this thing. Okay, now with the help of this tool, okay, now we got this tool, change the color. Okay, okay, now here change this thing. Okay, now some tickling type of effect, tickling type of, let's see, this one. Join. Delete this thing, copy, transform, reflect. So we have get this two thing and unlock everything. Okay, now see this ability to cut this thing from here and just this image, some Redistributed. Okay, now see this one. Now here, from here we are going to do this thing like this. Now inside sorry, and like this, and this one, and now draw between 1, 3. Okay, this is like this. Okay, now drop outside of this. Control and 2, unlock everything, put it outside here and remove this thing. It is not necessary, everything in the middle. Okay, now change the color, the red one. Okay, this is red one. change this thickness, not 1 point, 4 point should be better, 4 pixel should be better. Now it's exactly like this, and like this. Okay, get the sticker. Now you can write here with your hand or the calligraphic brush. Change this thing with the help of calligraphic brush and increase the size. This is something like that. Happy birthday, happy B-day should be better here, B-day. Okay, so this is the short video. Okay, and here you can change this color, go here, path, outline, stroke. So everything is now object. Okay, go to make it yellow or any other color, whatever you can think. Select this thing, select this one, select this one, select this one also, sorry, select one by one. Okay, selecting everything. Now go to path, outline strokes. Now it is outline stroke. Now change the color. This color maybe like this. Okay, now this is our illustration. And go to this and see this effect, puka and this thing. You can clearly see the effect. This is star, and here this is the flower, this is the flower, and this is the star. So I'm leave here, go to object, path, outline stroke. Now this is an object, change the color. This color should be the blue one. Okay, so put it like this and put it like this, like this, like this. Okay, so we have get this kind of illustration, a bigger one, so make it funny, so bigger one, so this one. So our illustrations is ready. Now if you want to make a sticker, it's cut down right way, in the right way. Before leave, or if you are want to put this to Shutterstock, if you want to make a something interesting, get something interesting, so go here, this thing, object, path, outline strokes. Now this is an object, go path, offset path, and this one. Now change the color like this. Okay, now see this thing, I'm not happy with this result. Okay, so leave it as it is. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial till then, and do one things before go out or leave out. Do one things, make sure this things and brush. We have some brush like this. Brush is very good, this one, and change the color. Color should be like this, and make some funny type of things, not all this one. Okay, now like this, some more like this, some more like this. Okay, so this is in our illustrations. Thank you very much for watching, and before doing this anything else, so this final result is here. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.